When I was going back yesterday from the river, when I went to pray for my family, because I call you people my family here, on my way going back, I met this little cute, handsome little boy. I met them on the road. The mother stopped me. So the mother told me that the little boy told her he needed to do salaka for somebody. So they came out from their compound and stopped on the road. So I happened to be the first person that came across them. So the mother stopped me, telling me what the little boy told her. So I started asking the mother, hope this little boy goes to school. My happiness was that the mother told me yes, that the little boy goes to school. So immediately the mother told me this, I said, okay, we are good to go. So I stopped to listen to this little boy, hear what this little boy had to tell me.
Sọsọ mmụ ka ị emelu saraka nke ụtụtụ ahụ sọ mmụ ka efe iji chọọ imelu m saraka ịmaghọzi ife iji chọọ imelu m saraka ị chọọ ikpelu m ekpere kpelu m ekpere.
Little boy, or to my own surprise, the little boy laid his hands on me and started praying or doing whatever his mind told him to do. But to my greatest surprise, the little boy did not allow anybody to hear what he was saying in his mind. This boy kept on staying like this, praying for me for almost 2 minutes. We were standing there. I totally allowed him to do what his mind told him to do. So this is a moral lesson to most of us youths, mothers, fathers. Sometimes we see little children running to us in order to hug us or do one thing or the other or play with us, but because we feel we are putting on our designers clothes, we will not allow those children to come close to you. So this is a moral lesson. Each time you see a kid or you see children running towards you, allow those children. You get why. If you want to know the reason, look for old woman or old father to ask him or her the reason behind this. So for like 2 to 3 minutes we stood there, the boy was praying. I totally allowed him to do everything that he needed to do, that he wanted to do. So at the end, Shan and me still do salaka for the boy. This kind of little kids, little children, spirits, gods, or whatsoever you believe in, listen to them more than you can ever imagine. Especially, there are so many people that all they needed to do for their problem to get solved is to look for a little child who is still pure in heart or in mind, to lay hand on you and say 1 or 2 words to bless your life, and everything about your life will be successful. This is a moral lesson. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Thank you so much. Kijeme saraka. Nenkan. Jeme saraka.